So welcome. This is question number 5 of this year's WAEC mathematics question. Okay, so this is WAEC 2023 mathematics question, theory question number 5. Now, I want you to just take 1 minute to go to the question and then we'll come back to this video and then we'll solve. Now it says a boy stands at the point N on the same horizontal level as the foot T of a vertical building. Okay, so let's start with our first statement that a boy stands. So let's use this point as a boy and bring it down a little bit. This boy stands here on the same horizontal level as the foot T of a vertical building. So this is the building, this is the boy, okay, and this is the foot of the building, which is what? Which is called T. So the boy is standing at this point M according to the question. Now it's very important you observe all the terms, all the variables used to represent each of the point, okay, so that you don't get yourself confused. Now they say the boy stands at the point N, on the same horizontal as the foot, okay, of the building, and that's this. Okay. Now it says from there he observes an object on the top P. So which means they've also given you a variable for this top as P. So this boy at this point N observes an object at this top, okay, P, at the building at an angle of 66 degrees, okay, sorry, at an angle of elevation of 66 degrees, an angle of elevation. Now we know that the angle of elevation is simply that angle that is always above the horizontal eye level, okay. So if this is where the boy is, this point, definitely this is the horizontal eye level, and the angle above it is your angle of elevation. So this angle here, this is angle 66 degrees. Okay, so we have been able to get that. Now you say he moves directly backward. So this same boy from this point M moved backwards. So he moved this way again. He moved backwards, okay, to a point C. He moved backwards down to a point C and observe the same point on top of the building again. So we also have the observation at an angle of elevation of 53 degrees. So he also observed from this point C, he also observed this point at an angle of elevation of 53 degrees. Okay, now they are now said if MT, the distance from M to T, is 50 meters, they said illustrate this information in a diagram. So we have answered question number 1. I've shown this on a diagram. So this is the diagram of this question. So question number 5A is being answered. Now let's go to question number 5B. 5B says calculate correct to 1 decimal places the height of the building. So the height of the building is PT. So this is where we are asked to look for. We're looking for PT. We are looking for the height of the building, PT. And secondly, we are asked to find MC, the distance from here to here. So let's call here X. Okay. So these are the 2 things we are going to answer for question B. BI says find PT, this distance, that is the height of the building, and then BII said find CM, the distance which is X on this diagram, MC, okay? So let's go now, let's solve this problem. It's a very simple question to solve. Now, how do we get PT? If you observe, this building is forming a right angle triangle, a right angle with the horizontal. So therefore, we are having a right angle triangle. So in this triangle now, in triangle PTM, triangle PTM, I'm going to have that this is opposite over adjacent. So I'm going to have that tan 66 is equal to opposite, which I don't know, which is my PT, over adjacent, which is 50. Okay? When you cross multiply and make PT the subject of the formula, that means that 50 we multiply tan 66. Okay? And therefore PT, I've already done the calculation of this, okay? And that will give me 112.3. So this is our solution to question number BI. So the height here is 112.3. I've gotten this meters, okay? Question is in meters, we've gotten that. Now let's get the B part of it, the II part of it. The second part says we should find what? We should find this value, this x value. Now to get this x value, we are going to consider this triangle now, PCT. So let's consider triangle PTC. So from this triangle PTC, we are using 53 degree now. So we are going to have tan 53 degree is equal to opposite over adjacent. My opposite, which is what? PT. And my PT now is what? 112.3. Although my adjacent is made up of this 50 and this x. So that's 50 plus x. And you see that? And then when you cross multiply here, we are going to have that tan 53 is into 50. Okay, let me just times it at once, then multiply it at once. So this time that will give me 50 tan 53 degree plus x tan 53 degree, then equal to 112.3. So I'm using this tan 53 now to multiply this, okay? And then if I collect like terms, I'm going to have that x tan 53 will be equal to 112.3 minus 50 tan 53. Okay? So that's what I'm going to have. And then I'm going to now get that my x is equal to 112.3 minus 50 tan 53 all over tan 53. Okay? So, and when you do that, we are going to have our final answer as 34.624. When you are possibly this to one decimal place, this will give us 34.6 meters. So this is our value for x. Our x is 34.6 meters. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've got value from this. Have a good day.